Hi everybody, I'm back just to do a quick tutorial. Roseanne, hi Roseanne, she had asked me if I would show her how to make, I called them curly cues, but the proper name is a corkscrew. So it's these little, these are crocheted, and this is made using, I believe, a size 10 thread and like a 7 crochet hook to get that size. But I'm going to show you using a larger yarn so that you can see the stitches. It'll be easier, I think, to show you using, this size thread and or yarn and hook. So I have already put about, I don't know, 15 stitches on here. I just single crocheted this chain, and hopefully if you're new to crocheting, you know how to create a chain just by doing this right here. So hopefully you're already at that point. So I know you are, Roseanne. So once you get your chain made, now you'll have to probably decide how long you'll want to make your chain, because that will determine how long your corkscrews are. So this one that I was showing you is about 20, and it's only about an inch long, and I chained 20 stitches to get that. So if you want something longer, you'll have to make your chain a little bit longer. So to get started, there's actually three different stitches that you can do to make those corkscrews. So the first one I'm going to show you is just using a single crochet. So when you're doing a single crochet to get the corkscrew, you're going to skip the first stitch from your hook, which would be that one right there. So you're going to go into this one. So you'd insert your needle or your hook right here, and then you'd yarn over and pull through, and you'll have 2 loops on your crochet hook then, and then yarn over and take them both off. And then you'll repeat that step into the same stitch. So insert your needle back into the same stitch, yarn over, you'll have the 2 loops on your hook, and then you would yarn over and take those 2 off, and then you'll repeat it one more time. Insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over again, and take those 2 off. So you've made 3 single crochets into 1 stitch. Now you'll go to the next stitch, which is right here, that one right there. So you'll insert your needle right there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and take off those 2. Insert your needle or your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, oops, and pull through, and then back into the same stitch, yarn over and yarn over again, and pull through. And so you'll see already it's starting to curl, and so you'll just continue to do that. Just move up to the next stitch and put 3 single crochets into the same stitch. So this will be the second one, and this will be the third one. So let me show you one more time, and I'll try and go a little slower so you'll be sure and see it. So the next one is right here. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull it through, and you'll have 2 loops. Yarn over and take those 2 off. Insert your hook again back into the same stitch, yarn over, and take those 2 off, and then insert your hook one more time, insert and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through again. And see how it's really starting to curl now. So that's how you do it using a single crochet. So I'll show you now how to do it using a half double crochet. It's just going to make it a little thicker. Okay, so if you're going to do a half double crochet this time, well, the first time with the single crochet we went into the second stitch from the hook. This time we'll go into the third one. So for a half double crochet, you'll yarn over first, then insert your needle, your hook, and then yarn over, pull it through, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and take off all 3 of them. Okay, then you'll do it one more time. Yarn over, go through the same stitch, yarn over, you'll have 3 loops, yarn over and take off all 3. This yarn kind of gets caught. And then we'll do one more, and that will make 3. Yarn over, pull it through, you'll have 3 loops, because see, there's 3 of them on there. Okay, yarn over and take off all 3. So we've made 3 half double crochets in 1 stitch. So you'll yarn over and go into the next stitch, which is right here, and yarn over. You'll have your 3 loops, yarn over and take them all off, yarn over and go back into that same stitch, yarn over again to take them all off. Come on. And one more time. And yarn over, and take them all off. Okay? And it just makes it, it's just deeper, it's thicker. It'll be a bigger corkscrew, I guess is what I should say. Okay? So that's the half double crochet. Then we'll do it again now with the same yarn, and we'll do it using a double crochet. Okay? So for a double crochet, you're going to skip 3. You'll go into the 4th one, so you'll go into this one down here. So you'll yarn over and insert your needle into this one. Then you'll yarn over. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and take off 2. Yarn over again and take off the last 2. Okay, yarn over, go back into that same stitch, yarn over and take off 2, yarn over and take off the last 2, yarn over again and go back into that same stitch, yarn over, take off 2, yarn over and take off 2. And then you'll move to the next one, yarn over and go into the next stitch right there, yarn over and take off 2, yarn over, take off 2, yarn over, go back into the same stitch, yarn over again and take off 2, yarn over and take off 2. And one more time, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. As you can see, it's making a thicker, but it still curls. So I wanted to show you using the thread, the size 10 thread. And as I mentioned, this one is using a single crochet, and this one is using a half double crochet, and this one is using the double crochet. So this is probably the shortest one, but as you can see, they're getting to be a little bit thicker. So that's using 3 different stitches to get the same kind of a effect. So it's just depending on what you're going for. So that is it, Roseanne. Have fun. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.